velocity time graph. Okay, so in velocity time graph, on x-axis we have time, on y-axis we have velocity. Okay, so if velocity time graph is, first graph is like this. If it is parallel to time axis, it shows that the velocity of the body is constant. So velocity is constant, that means it is uniform motion. Okay, or you can say constant velocity, and since it is a constant velocity, so the value of acceleration is 0. Okay, now if it is a straight line having constant slope, so what does it represent? It represents uniform acceleration, and here the velocity increases with time, so acceleration, the value of acceleration is positive here. Okay, now the third graph is like this. So in this graph, this graph has negative slope, so it represents uniform retardation. Okay, so it is uniform retardation, and the value of acceleration is negative here. Okay, so these are the velocity time graphs. Suppose this graph starts from here and like that, so it is also uniform acceleration. Okay, the difference is that this graph starts from 0. Initial velocity is 0 here, but here the initial velocity is not 0, it is some value. Okay, so this body starts from rest, and this body initially it is moving with some velocity, and then it starts accelerating. Okay, so this is the difference, but both are uniform acceleration. If it is any curved line like this, okay, so it is uniform, non-uniform acceleration, but here also the acceleration is positive, and if it is like this, then it is non-uniform retardation. So whenever the line is a straight line, it shows uniform. Okay, straight line parallel to time axis, uniform motion. Straight line having constant slope, uniform acceleration. Straight line having negative slope, uniform retardation. Okay, and if it is any curved line, then it will be non-uniform. Curved line increase हो रही है ऊपर की तरफ, so it is non-uniform acceleration. Curved line decrease हो रही है, so it is non-uniform retardation. Okay, so these are acceleration time graph, velocity time graph, and from that the slope of velocity time graph is acceleration, and area under VT graph is equal to displacement. Okay, these are the very important points that you should remember.